Hello, I'm Divgun. I'm here to introduce Swap.show. The XRPL ecosystem is booming. There was XRPL EVM sidechain, which was launched this year. There are a lot of wallets that are coming up. There are a lot of DEXs, decentralized exchanges that are being launched on EVM sidechain. With so much activity and so much yield products that are being launched across the EVM and sidechain ecosystem and XRPL ecosystem, there are some problems. So there are multiple DEXs that are there. User has to go through multiple DEXs on the sidechain and then figure out which price or he's getting for his swap. You cannot compare the different yield mechanisms that are there. There are multiple mechanisms like strobe, Doppler that are coming up. And then user has to go to multiple dashboards to figure out which product he's getting the best yield. And then how to track multiple wallets across mainnet and XRPL EVM ecosystems. So introducing Swap.show. It's a unified DeFi layer for tracking your funds across both mainnet and EVM sidechain. So the first feature is swap. User can easily enter the asset that you want to pay with and then the asset they want to convert into, and then the aggregator will route through multiple DEXs and provide the best route. The next feature is bridge, where you can move your funds between mainnet and then to EVM sidechain, and then vice versa. Finally, there is earn, where you can compare your all products, the yield-bearing products that are there in the XRPL, EVM, and mainnet ecosystem, and then figure out a strategy for yourself. And finally, there is a track dashboard, which is where you can track your funds across both mainnet and EVM sidechain and see all the transaction history and how your yield positions are performing. I'm very excited to launch this on mainnet. I'm looking for beta testing users and partnerships. Looking forward to meet you on the booth. Thank you.